Howdy, y'all. Edelbrock Performer RPM Gen 3 Hemi heads just arrived. These are 61159s. They are the complete set. 2003 to present Hemis, 5.7 to 6.4. And these have the 67cc chambers. They also come in other sizes as well. Gonna do a little porting on these, clean them up a little bit. Not particularly happy with the way these ports look from the factory. You can see all kinds of nasty crud in there, and the camera doesn't do justice at all. There's quite a lot of crap in there. Some of the things we can clean up and get rid of. Here's on the exhaust side. It's very rough along here. There's actually little pieces that stick up. You know, casting flaws in here. See this transition along here. Clean that up. See some more slag going down that side. Some more in there. Yeah, these videos don't really do it justice. You look at it in real life, it's definitely more noticeable. Again, some of this along here. See some of these things actually stick out far enough they'll catch this thing. Another one down here. Kind of hard to see, but clean all that up. Open these guys up, match the gaskets to the exhaust, get these things where they should be. My cat says what's up too. Again, camera just doesn't do it justice. So I'm going to clean these things up. I already removed a couple of valve springs. This is just a cheap Harbor Freight valve spring compressor. All I do with this guy is I throw this on here so it doesn't mar up the face of the valve. And be careful when you're releasing the pressure. First one I took off, shot the spring in the retainer halfway across the garage because it slipped on the release. Here's some more of this stuff I'm going to clean up on the intake side. You can see the slag down here, puddle of it down here. Just, nasty stuff. Don't need to be there. Clean it up, make it look nice. It's difficult to see on here, but where they actually did their CNCing here, they come down, put the valve seat in, do their what they call CNCing, and it's not a port CNCing. It's just transition CNC, but they're not actually porting this thing out with any CNC like some of the aftermarket companies that take factory heads and CNC port them and then finish them up. Totally different thing. So, but this transition here, it's difficult to see on camera here, but there's quite a transition for where they cut this thing to where it actually hits this hump here. That's one of the push rod chambers going down, tunnels, tubes, whatever. Anyways, so that's where that bulges out. One of Edelbrock's videos, the promotional videos, they actually say they left 220 thousandths of material on floor, ceilings, walls of these things for somebody that wants to come in here and do their own porting. So, you can probably take a lot of this out. I don't know that I'll take it all out. I might do some checks and check the distance here just to be safe. But we'll get these things cleaned up and come back and show you what they look like when they're done. You can see on this one, there's actually, my scratch all here, they didn't actually cut the valve seat all the way down. So that's not part of the aluminum. That's actually part of the valve seat there. Aluminum was CNC'd down to here, but the valve seat didn't get cut all the way, so there's this shelf here. And we'll look at it from the top. Again, video doesn't do it justice, but it's basically looks like an oblong hole. It's not round. And that wasn't the only one. This one's got it as well. I mean, I can catch that right on there. You can catch your fingernail on there. So that's just something else to clean up. When we're porting these things out and opening these things up, the problem with that is I don't want to have to get right here next to the seat and cut, because I risk damaging the valve job. So you got to be real careful, real precise with a bit in here to actually clean this up and open it up to what's below it and what will be done here because of that shelf that was left there.